welcome back to my channel. So we're here now at Berry Farm. We're here for the Taste of Berry, and I already have my tasting card. So I'm excited for you guys to show you what we have in here, and I'm excited to look around. So hopefully everything's good. We all have our masks and we have social distancing precautions. So yeah, come check it out, guys. So we're now here in Ghost Town. So they have photo booths right here. They have Snoopy sweater. Wow, cute. I wonder how much it is. Not only for our shirt, I think. Okay, so we finally found a place. We're gonna go ahead and get the velvet. I mean red velvet cake.
What do you have here?
Hi, so we have a couple of things here, but not everything yet. Let's try the mac and cheese pulled pork. Is it correct? Mac and cheese pulled pork.
Yeah.
And so this is the reason why I'm getting fat, guys. Let's try it. Hopefully it's good. Sarap. I'm actually surprised. Kasi diba normally, sa mga parks, sa mga theme parks, hindi masarap ang food. Pero actually, nagulat ako. Parang restaurant talaga siya. Not bad.
From all of us here at Knott's, we
Medyo
are glad to
matamis
have
siya
you join us for a
because I
taste
think
of
because of the
Berry.
sauce.
As a reminder, for the health and safety of our guests and associates, and in accordance with state,
You wanna
local,
try
and
this?
CDC
Let's try the
guidelines,
next one.
guests
Put that down!
Oh, I'm sorry. I thought it said applesauce. I just wanted to know who wanted some.
Oh, come on.
They want applesauce!
Hello, everyone, and welcome to Knott's Taste of Berry Farm! We are the Birdcage Theater players. Now, normally at this time of year, we would be inside the Birdcage presenting our version of a holiday classic. Unfortunately, we're not able to perform inside the theater this year because of...
Our landlord kicked us out.
Oh, well.
Boy, that guy thinks he owns the place.
Well, actually, I don't think our landlord's all that bad. He asked me out on a date.
He said be out by the 15th.
Okay, well, needless to say, our little acting troupe's fallen on some hard times. Go get the rest of the cast.
There is no rest of the cast.
What are you talking about?
Well, you remember how you said you couldn't pay him anymore?
I don't understand it. It's Christmas, but I just don't feel right. I feel I should be happy, but everything seems so commercial.
Let's face it, Charlie Brown. We all know Christmas is just a Madison Avenue promotion gimmick.
Doesn't anyone know the true meaning of Christmas anymore?
Don't let them get you down, Charlie Brown. Just think of Christmas as a time of joy, friendship, love.
Hey, maybe that's it. Just being nice to each other for a change.
It'll never sell.
Peppermint cheesecake. It's already melting, so I have to eat it already. Let's try it. It tastes like peppermint. But it's good because it's sweet, minty, and lemonade. It's so good, guys. Scrooge's spicy cranberry pomegranate. How do you say
Don't
it?
worry, I'll cover that.
Okay.
I got it covered.
Fine, I'll
don't
just
lose the
do
receipt. We gotta
chicken
take this back to
wings.
Party City.
Glazed chicken wings. So let's try this, how it looks like.
Who apparently liked to go to work in his pajamas was a mean, scraping, clutching, covetous old penny-pinching skinflint.
Yeah, what she said. Anyway, perhaps we should establish the time.
It's
The
so
time
soft.
is not necessary, but the day is essential.
Right, it was Christmas Eve.
The
I don't know if you guys
next day
can
would be
hear me,
Christmas.
but this chicken wings is really good and it's really soft.
Was his well-mannered, good-natured clerk.
Mr. James, my
Tasty.
wages so that I can buy my wife
I can
Della a
taste
gift for
the-
Christmas.
And Scrooge said,
The glaze, what do you call it?
But sir, without a full day's pay,
Pomegranate
I
glaze.
might have to sell my most prized possession, my gold watch. Oh, Uncle.
Busog na ako.
Oh, brother.
No, Uncle.
Maybe you can help me
Please,
out.
sir, it's
Here.
Christmas.
And Scrooge said, bah, humbug.
Just see those sleigh bells jingling, ring, tingle, tingling. I'm on to lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you.
This is Sylvia. And this is, are you okay? Are you hungry? She's good. She's on a food coma right now. So come on, let's go. I'm on my way home now and I'm going to finish your hat. Got it? What do you call this? Chicken popcorn?
Festive popcorn chicken.
Festive popcorn chicken, okay. Go for it. Good?
Bland.
Bland? Well, at
And
least
salty.
he's telling the truth.
Oh.
What about that one? Is it good?
It's hot. But yeah, there's a lot of flavor.
Wow.
It's steamy.
Looks yummy. He said there's a lot of flavor. Horchata.
Hello. From all of us here at Knott's, we are glad to have you join us for a taste of Merry Farm.
Yeah,
As a
that's good.
reminder, for the
good.
health and safety of our guests and associates,
Ay, sobrang busog ko, guys. I'm so full. I ate a lot of food today. And now, we're going home because they're closing at 9 o'clock. So, thank you guys for being with me today and for watching my video. And as you can see, the park is so empty. But still, masaya pa din kahit na hindi bukas ang mga rides. And this is our new normal right now here at Knott's Berry Farm. Look around, everything's closed. And I wish sana ngayong pandemic, sana maging open na lahat and sana meron ng vaccine. Kasi sobrang sad lang. Especially sa mga workers na mga nawalan ng trabaho. Lalo na sa mga kababayan ko dyan sa Philippines. Tsaka sa mga kamag-anak ko, I hope they're safe during this time of pandemic. And sana sa video na ito, nakapagpasaya ako, nakapagbigay ako ng good vibes. Diba? Hopefully, sana panoorin nyo ang aking next vlog. So kung nagustuhan nyo po ang aking food review, please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you guys next time. Bye!